The Samsung WW90DG6U25LBAH, a prominent model in the WW6000D series, represents the pinnacle of modern laundry washing technologies. This front-loading, freestanding washing machine, with a generous 9 kilograms washing capacity, enhances any space with its sleek black color and engraved door design. The most striking feature of this model is its classification in the A energy efficiency class according to the new EU energy labeling standards. It even surpasses the minimum requirements of these standards by an extra 10%, raising the benchmark for energy saving. Consuming only 44 kilowatt-hour per 100 cycles, the machine is ideal for eco-conscious and budget-minded consumers. This high efficiency is largely driven by the SmartThings AI energy mode. This mode actively monitors energy consumption, estimates your electricity bill, and significantly reduces energy use by up to 70%, particularly by washing with cold water using eco-bubble technology instead of hot water and extended cycle times. The appliance features an AI control panel that elevates the smart washing experience by learning user habits and providing personalized program recommendations. A key innovation, the AI eco-bubble technology, rapidly creates bubbles from a mix of water, detergent, and air, achieving up to 24% more effective dirt removal even in cold water. Furthermore, the artificial intelligence detects the fabric type and automatically adjusts the bubble quantity, washing time, temperature, and spin speed for optimal results. The standard eco-bubble technology and bubble soak feature guarantee deep cleaning, even for stubborn stains. At the core of the machine is a digital inverter technology motor. This motor uses powerful magnets that consume less energy than traditional motors and offer exceptional durability, backed by Samsung's industry-leading 20-year motor warranty. Quiet operation and the second-generation diamond drum design ensure gentle garment care and long-term reliability. Offering a total of 23 washing programs, the machine provides solutions for various special needs, including Eco 40 to 60, Super Speed 15-foot quick wash, sportswear, baby care, duvet/bedding, hygiene steam, and silent Washington. The Steam Clean program ensures sanitization, while Drum Clean Plus keeps the tub hygienically clean without chemicals. Featuring Wi-Fi connectivity via the SmartThings app, users can monitor and control the appliance remotely. Standard conveniences like child lock, delay end, and pre-wash are also included. With its compact dimensions, particularly its shallow 55 centimeters depth, this washing machine provides a complete solution for expert users seeking advanced technology and superior energy efficiency in a single appliance.